Really quick, go check out Brofix. He won the shout out. Yay, someone besides Emran. But yeah, if you want the shout out, there will be a hashtag in this video. Hope you enjoyed this PlayStation 5 unboxing by my friend X-Man. You may see him in some EXEs, some videos, some live streams. He's there. And he also kind of runs the channel as well. So like this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I do COD videos. I make class setups, EXEs, montages. They're all pretty good. What else am I don't know. Just enjoy. Alright, hey guys, it's actually X-Man here today. I've got a very exciting video, one that Teo couldn't do, unfortunately. But today we're going to be unboxing the PS5. I actually got a bundle package from GameStop. So it comes with the new Spider-Man game, it comes with 2K21 with the Kobe cover, a PlayStation remote, and the PS5 obviously. So yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so I don't know how I'm actually going to film this properly, but let's get into this. Got my unboxing knife, flash work knife, and let's do this. Alright. So first up, you guys can't actually see what's first in the box. First up, we got the new PS5 remote. Yeah. We're going to open this up after everything else. Yeah. Alright, so the new Spider-Man game. I was actually kind of looking forward to this one. I don't usually play Spider-Man games, but this looks pretty fun. That's very shiny. There we go. Yeah. So next, we got the one my dad was really excited about, but I don't know how I feel about it. I love the cover. It looks amazing. But here you go, guys. You guys get to see that new 2K21 cover with Kobe. Yeah, my dad was a huge Kobe fan, so it's a pretty sick thing. Yeah, there's the actual. Well, probably. I don't know if we'll be playing this because Teo doesn't have it, and I don't know about it. We'll see. Alright. So I know this is the moment you guys are all be waiting for. Correct the grammar, please, Teo. Alright. So, I don't think y'all are ready for this. I actually got one, which is surprising. Me and Teo. Oh, that's a loud amount of noise. Alright, so we'll open it up down here, and then I'll bring everything out as it comes out. It's so smooth to cut everything open with my knife. I love that thing. Alright. Y'all ready for this? We're going to start with a simple first layer box that has the basics. We get our user manuals. Nobody really reads those, if I'm right. Alright, we got our stand for it, which I'm probably not going to use. I don't know. Really depends on how I'm feeling or where I want to put my PS5. I'm very limited to space though. The new HDMI 2.0. Make sure to keep these guys. These are really useful for once we all upgrade our TVs and monitors, because then it actually gives us all the performance features that the PS5 can give us. Obviously, another power cable, and then so instead of having to open up that new boxed up remote, just open it up in here. This is the first time I've actually opened it. I've seen what it looks like, but I haven't opened it before. Oh, this feels nice. It's actually a really nice remote. Like, for example, the DualShock 4. It just feels. Let's put this on here. My control freaks and see how. I swear, if this is a different size control freak, I'm gonna be very upset. It shouldn't be. I'm just being a little dumb, but if it is, I'd be very upset. Yeah, it's the same size. So let's see this. Oh, it feels smooth. I actually really like this remote, and it feels so grippy compared to this one. I mean, to be fair, I've had this one for a year now. Yeah, a year. It's a long time for me. I destroyed remotes left and right in Teo. Alright. Move this stuff over. Space for the PS5 on the desk.
Are you guys ready for this? I know you guys have seen so many other unboxings, but I'm super excited about this one. Like, I have been waiting for the PS5 to come out since they announced it. I've been actually waiting for it since longer. I've been wanting it. My PS4 is slowly dying on me. So, yeah. I'm just slowly producing an ear rape video today. Let's take this off. I don't know why I have a headset on. The microphone doesn't even work on it for this camera. Alright. Are we ready? This thing's big. This thing's massive. Oh god. Jeez Louise. Do this side. I'm actually gonna step up so that way you guys don't see my face, but this thing is the size of my torso almost. There we go, I'll give you that. This thing is huge. Oh dear lord. I mean, it's beautiful. Like, don't get me wrong. I was skeptical about the way it looked. But just look at this thing. That's a good size. I love it. Yeah. Yeah. This is it, guys. I'll probably do a setup video. My setup's not like Teo's, semi bad, but it's good. I'm so stoked to set this up. Once I set it up, I'll make a video on that and you guys can check that out. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. There definitely is going to be a part 2 to this. It'll be the setup and the first gameplay of it. I'm not going to do the loading screen recording just because I don't find a need to do that, but I will definitely show you guys some gameplay and then my setup. I just got to clean up because my desk is a mess. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below what you think is amazing about this PlayStation or what you wish was changed. But yeah, just let us know. Alright, thank you.